up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hannah. If you're not new, then welcome back. I just wanted to give you a quick intro into this video before I actually get it started because I'm doing a what I eat in a day. So yeah, I just feel like that warranted a quick intro. I don't have any restrictions whatsoever. I do try to limit dairy because it breaks on my face. I don't eat fish just because I simply do not like it, but I'm not vegan, vegetarian, or anything like that. I pretty much eat whatever is given to me. With that, let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright, if the background's very noisy, I apologize, but recently I've been starting off every morning with a huge glass of water because I feel like I haven't been staying hydrated enough. This is kind of like a self-discipline moment. I just make myself drink. The bugs are very annoying. Just make myself drink an entire glass of water before I can even have coffee. I just kind of have to be strict with myself on that, to be honest, but cheers. Also, a side note, if you drink your water out of like a really cute glass or a really cute aesthetic, like honestly, I'm fully matching right now. We got biker shorts and a pink straw. It makes you want to drink your water more. So I would definitely recommend investing in some cute glasses or like a cute water bottle because your water intake will skyrocket, I promise. It is about 30 minutes later and I finished my water and now I'm gonna go ahead and have some coffee. I just filled up this mason jar. I just used this Coffee Mates sugar-free French vanilla in my coffee and I put a little bit at the bottom of the mason jar. Honestly, not too much because the coffee I drink has a lot of flavor in it, so I just put that at the bottom. I showed this in my last vlog, so if you haven't seen that, go watch it. But I've been really into the La Colombe iced coffee cold brew box. It's basically just like a box wine, but a box cold brew instead. So I put my creamer in first, ice, and then I fill this up. And it is so good. Would definitely recommend. Delicious. I'll either have like one or two of these a day, and this suppresses my hunger for a while, so I'm good not to eat breakfast for like probably another 2 hours, which is cool. Alrighty, it is 11 o'clock now, and so I'm gonna make a little bit of breakfast slash lunch, like a brunch situation. I'm not a huge lunch person, but I absolutely love breakfast, so I kind of try to combine the two and just make like a really heavy breakfast. So currently right now I have some eggs, I have some avocados, and then I have a everything bagel cooking in the toaster oven. So I think I'm gonna make like a little breakfast sandwich situation going on here. And honestly, that'll probably hold me over for a while and then I won't have to eat lunch.
I knew when I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you...
Here is the final product. I burnt the egg a little bit. Not the best cook, it is what it is, but we have an everything bagel with avocado, everything but the bagel seasoning on top with egg, and then everything but the bagel seasoning in the egg. So if you couldn't tell, I really like everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this, and this will, like I said, hold me over for a while, and then I'll probably not have a super heavy lunch, or if I do, it'll probably just be like some deli meat and some fruit, or deli meat and some chips or something of that sort, but we will get to that when we get to it. Alrighty, it is 2 o'clock. I've been on calls all day and now I'm getting hungry again because of when I ate brunch. It was 11 o'clock and I think I'm gonna make a smoothie, which I haven't done one of those in forever, but I bought spinach from Trader Joe's the other day and my smoothie machine is like literally staring at me on the counter, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. 4 main ingredients we have for the smoothie are berry medley. I think I either got this from Trader Joe's or from Wegmans, I'm not really sure, but it has strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries in the mix. I have some spinach because you cannot taste spinach in smoothies, fun facts, it just makes it like a really gross weird color. We have unsweetened vanilla almond milk because I'm trying to limit my dairy intake, and then we have a banana just to make it a little bit sweeter because these berries make it kind of tart.
I swear to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16, wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never, I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me, somehow it keeps getting...
Alright, this is the final product. I think the color actually kind of turned out cool this time. Sometimes it looks like this puke green spinach color, but it's not. So let's give it a taste test. We had an accident. This is the reality of me trying to make food, to be honest. I might have put too many berries in here, but it's pretty good. The ratio from berry to banana was just not good on my part. I've also decided that along with my smoothie, I'm gonna have one of these dark chocolate covered caramels from Trader Joe's. Because, you know, life is all about balance. My sister's over there eating chicken nuggets, so I think I can have a dark chocolate caramel square, and they're really good. All right, it is 4:30 right now. I didn't really have lunch. I had that smoothie that I half spilled, had some chocolates, and I'm getting ready to have a snack. I'm having baked Lay's. Obviously, they're not the healthiest. I feel like maybe they're a little bit healthier than regular Lay's because they're baked. I don't know if that's a thing. But you know what? Life is all about moderation, and I'm freaking addicted to these things, so I'm gonna have this as a snack. I probably won't have that many, but it's really easy to eat the whole bag with these, so just watch out for that if you try them. So good. Also, I'm making sure to drink more water today. Have my Yeti, and I've drank about 2 of these already, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my 3rd one. Another tip is that I would just make sure to keep drinking throughout the day, because drinking throughout the day suppresses your hunger, it suppresses my hunger. Also, it's just really good to stay hydrated because it helps your skin, it helps your body, and who doesn't love water?
I waited forever, but better late than never. Better late than never. Good days and bad days, I know I can call you, 'cause you always have answers to problems that I could never solve. Never met green eyes, I love to get lost in this much. Now all the time that we have left doesn't seem like it's enough. Better late than never. I see us spending days together.
So as you just saw, I made dinner for the night because my work day is over. I worked out, did all of the things, took a shower, and so I decided to make some sweet potato gnocchi. I got this at Trader Joe's the other day if you saw my haul, and then pour myself a glass of Chenin Blanc white wine to treat myself on this Wednesday because I'm officially finished with my work week. This is so good. It doesn't look as appetizing in this bowl, but if you've never had Trader Joe's sweet potato gnocchi, definitely would recommend. All that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end off this video here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Getting better. I waited forever. All the love I made.